Hi UNV 101 students. It is time to plan for spring registration, or if you're taking this class in the spring, it's time to plan for fall registration. So beginning planning means making sure that everything is set in your Miami record. So we're going to look up a few things today. I'm going to demo it for you, and then you are going to do it on your own, and you're going to fill out the document that was linked on Canvas. So the first thing you want to do is go to Bannerweb. All right, so from My Miami, you're going to click on Bannerweb, and we're going to look at student services and financial aid, and then we're going to look at registration. So the first thing that we want to do is check your registration status and your registration dates and times. And sometimes we call that your time ticket, which is just the window of time that you can register for classes. Your registration status is really important because sometimes you have holds on your account and they're going to prevent you from registering and probably cause you a lot of frustration. So we want to deal with them now if we can. So you're going to click here, and I am going to select fall semester. And you can see that there's no holds on this account, which is good. If you do see that there are holds, you can click on the view holds, and it's going to show you what the holds are, and it's going to give you phone numbers of who to call to get them resolved. Of course, you can always ask your UNV 101 instructor for assistance with that as well. They can't lift the holds, but they can tell you what you need to do to get them lifted. If you're not sure what your major is listed as, you'll want to look down here. And I know some of you changed your major when you did your advising at the beginning of the semester or for this summer, and you're not sure if it actually changed. So this is where you can check to make sure that you have the correct major. Up here it's going to give you lists of times when you are able to register. This is from summer, and so you see a bunch of time periods here, which kind of looks strange. But in any case, you're going to see like two time periods. One will be your initial time period, and then after that, you're going to have an open time period. All right, so that is what we need to look at in Bannerweb. I'm going to go back to My Miami, and the next thing that we're going to look at is who your advisor is. So to find your advisor, you go to the Student tab. And right here with Academic Advisors, you are going to find the name of your academic advisor as well as the email address. All right, and it's also going to provide information if you want to know, who this person is exactly. That's it. You are an instructor. We'll take it from there.